Hey guys, my name's Deb Marnie and I'm from Aussie Maille. Welcome to our chainmail tutorial channel. Hey guys, hi, hello, welcome, glad to see you here. Thanks for popping in and spending part of your day with us. Today I've got a project from our Mail It Minute list and it's just a simple caged bead pendant. Alright guys, let's get straight into it. Okay guys, well here's a sample piece of the pendant that we'll be working on today. Popping up now are the materials that I used to make this pendant. You can pause the video now and write that down, or alternatively they will be listed down in the description section below this video. So as you can see, it's just a very simple caged bead pendant and shouldn't take long for you to whip up and be wearing. Okay, we're going to start this piece today by closing up our 4 large rings. So you go ahead and close those up now. And then once you've got those closed, we're going to start joining them together with our small rings. And we're going to join together there like that. Now you can double this up now, or you can leave it single and see how you like the look of the piece. I'm just going to quickly double these up because I think it just gives it a slightly better look. Alright, so we've got them like this, and then we want to join another one here like this. Okay. Again, I'm just going to double these rings up. Okay. Then I'm going to join these two together. Okay, so we've got a little bit of a triangle going on at the moment. Okay, and then our final ring is going to go just here. So join that to both of our middle rings there. And then our final pair of rings. Okay. Alright, so you've made your cross shape, basically. And then what we're going to do, we're going to grab our bead, we're going to put this in the middle, and we're going to bring our top and bottom of that cross shape together. And then we're going to join those with another pair of rings. Make sure you've got everything positioned correctly. There we go. Alright. I had mine a little bunched up so it fell out. Alright, so there we go. Put one and then two. Okay, so you've got the bead caged. And then simply just to finish it off, we grab another small ring, we put it through whichever one we want. It doesn't particularly matter, whichever one suits your fancy. And then before closing, I'm going to pop on my bail And there you go. You just feed a necklace through that and you've got your caged bead pendant. These ones are 8.5 millimeters. These ones are the 9mm ones. You can see that there's a little bit more space in here. I just wanted to show you the slightly tighter version. The reason why I decided to go with the larger rings was some of these smaller rings sat a little bit funny because they're pressed right up against the bead. But you can go down a little bit smaller in size if you want to with your rings. I wouldn't go any bigger though with this particular size bead because it's going to fall out on you. But there you go guys, there's your finished pendant. You can't get much simpler than that. Okay guys, well that's it. That's the tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed it and you are loving your new piece of chainmail jewellery. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up here on YouTube. Share the video if you like. And if you have any comments or questions about this tutorial, drop them in the comment section below the video. While you're here, if you aren't a subscriber, then consider doing so. It really does help us and it convinces us to keep going with these video tutorials for you. Also, while you're here, don't forget to check out our current tutorials. We've got about 170 at time of recording, so I'm sure you'll find something there that you will want to make up. And last but not least guys, don't forget our little link up here for our shop where we sell everything that you will need to make up your chainmail pieces. Alright guys, thanks again for popping along and I hope to catch you again sometime in the very near future. Bye!